Hi, I'm Shireen, co-founder and CEO of Nima. At Nima, we enable people with food sensitivities and allergies to live their life to the fullest. I am so excited to introduce you to our second product, the Nima Peanut Sensor. Every Nima capsule contains the power of an entire chemistry lab. Your Nima sensor mixes and analyzes what's in the test capsule to produce an accurate result. Nima users check to see if their food is peanut-free at restaurants, on packaged foods, at catered events, and while traveling. Nima can test for solids, liquids, and almost any other type of food. Today we're testing this plate of cookies that we got from a bakery down the street. We've already called the bakery ahead of time to make sure they're peanut-free, but because of cross-contamination, we're going to be using Nima to be sure. First, take your Nima test capsule, then take a small sample of food, a pea-sized amount, and place it in the capsule. You can use your fingers or a utensil, and you can take a sample from different parts of the plate to make sure you get a little bit of everything. Now, close the capsule. The next step grinds the food. Keep twisting until it's closed. Now insert the capsule into Nima, press start, Nima does the rest. The test will take a few minutes. You'll see the screen thinking and you might hear it working. You'll see a smiley face if it's peanut-free. You'll see a peanut icon if peanut was detected in the sample. Look, I got a smiley. Nima is one additional tool in your toolkit to supplement everything you're already doing to live your healthiest self. The power of this one data point enables me to make a more informed decision about what I'm eating.